Good morning, students. Due to electricity power cutoff, recording was not shared and not saved also, and so I have done recording of revision work of civics again and then uploaded. So please check revision work of civics lesson number 1. Choose the correct answer. First one, what does democracy means? What does democracy means? The answer will be equal right to vote. The answer equal right to vote is the correct answer. Now, according to universal adult franchise, every adult has for second, yes, for second one vote. Option B is the correct option. According to universal adult franchise, every adult has one vote. Then for question number third, one of the most common, here it will be most, one of the most. So one of the most common forms of inequality in India is caste system. Question number third, caste system will be the correct answer. Question number fourth, whose autobiography is Jhutan? Option A, Om Prakash Valmiki's is the correct option. Question number five, what did the headmaster ask Om Prakash Valmiki to do? And question number five, option B is the correct option, to sweep the school playground. To sweep the school playground. Question number six, when persons are treated unequally, what is violated? D is the correct option. Sorry, A is the correct option. Dignity. A is the correct option. Dignity. Then question number seventh. The Indian Constitution recognizes all people are equal. A option. The Indian Constitution recognizes all people are equal. A option is correct. Question number eight. Who drafted the Indian Constitution? Option D is correct. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who drafted the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 9. Who represent our problems in Parliament House? Option D is correct, MPs. Question number 10. Civil rights movement of USA was about. Option A is correct for this question. Afro-Americans. Afro-Americans. Afro means people living in Africa. That is called as African Americans also. African Americans. So civil rights movement of USA was about African Americans. Question number 11. What is the central feature of democracy? C. Equality. C. Equality. Question number 12. What was was the dash was the first state to introduce midday meal scheme? Tamil Nadu. Then 13th question. We are represented in the parliament through our elected representatives. 14th, our constitution recognizes everyone as equal before. C option, law. Question number 15th, when people are treated unequally, their dash is violated. Option D is correct. Dignity. Their dignity is violated. Now question number 16th. The dash did not easily got flat in the desired area. A option is correct. Ansaris. Question number 17. Dash is an autobiography of Om Prakash Valmiki. B. Juten is the correct answer. Next, Kanta borrowed money to pay her electricity bill. False. B option is correct option. That is false. Then question number 19. Dash was an African American. Again D option, Rosa Parks. Then question number 20. The dash scheme is one of the steps taken by the government to reduce inequality. The dash scheme is one of the steps taken by the government to induce equality should be. To reduce inequalities. Sorry. Again, I'm repeating the question. The dash scheme is one of the steps that taken by the government to reduce inequality. So question number 20, A will be the correct option, midday meal. Then 21, what is similarity between Kanta, Ansari and you can also say Om Prakash Valmiki or Malini? They were all treated unequally. That is C option will be correct option. They were all treated unequally. Then Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous dash writer. C option will be correct. Dalit writer. Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. Next is where has the midday meal scheme being started? Where has the midday meal scheme being started? So option D will be correct, the government schools. I hope every question is clear now. All the questions are clear. In the live classes, it was already made clear to you all the questions and no doubt was there. But then also I had uploaded this so that you have the proper answers again. You can check it from here. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the revision work in the live classes today. And please attempt the revision test given on Google Form link so that you can know how to do the MCQs or attempt the question paper in the Google Form link also. I hope everybody will attempt the question on Google Form link, that revision test which is given today. That's all for today. Thank you.